So ladies, I realized that earlier I did my live box opening of my order this month or this week. And I didn't put it in this group, and you guys are the ones that really love this stuff. So I wanted to show you, this is our SeneGence new lip kit. So all people who sign up with their makeup membership, you know your annual membership costs you $55, right? So if you've already signed up, this is a bonus. If you haven't signed up, you just need to get like your Costco membership, $55, and you also can buy this. So it comes in this lovely box. This is our new lip kit. And in our lip kit, it comes with 6 of our most popular colors, a glossy gloss, and an oops remover. So you get 6 colors, and you ask what colors. So there are these ones here. You get Caramel Apple, Bombshell, Sheer Berry, Dawn Rising, Love It, and Bella, all of our top sellers. A glossy gloss and oops. You also get applicators, so that let's just say you want to share this with your friends. I'll do it in order here and then show you. If you want to share it with your friends, they've given you a, I don't know how many here, it looks like 5 or 6 maybe, 5 of our beauty books. And of course you can always go online and show people our beauty books in digital format. It also gives you our most recent magazine, Acclaim, and that's filled with all kinds of great makeup tips and everything. It comes with a beautiful carry case, so if you are taking this as a business opportunity, you can put the products in the binder with your information and see your friends or go to their house or wherever. These are the applicators that are disposable ones, so you can use those to show people your product. It comes with some order forms and a distributor demo book and even some samples. So when you demo color for people, I think there's like 25 glossy gloss samples in here. When you demo a color for somebody, you would actually give them a gloss so that they can continue to wear their lip color all day long and into the night, and then when they go to bed, they'll just have to remove it at home somehow. But at least if they have the gloss, they can keep it going. So this is the list of everything that comes in that lip kit. Now, you know one of our colors is usually $30, and a kit is $67. Well, this has a kit plus extra 5 colors. Now, the colors are slightly smaller than normal. Not very much. They're the size of our shadow sensor, but they call them our tester size, but they're almost full size. So you would get like the equivalent of what would be your kit plus 5 extra colors in tester size, and you have the binder and some books and some sample gloss. So that's a pretty awesome deal for $90 plus shipping and handling. It comes right to your door. If anybody wants to, if you haven't already got your membership, if you have your membership, just go in the back office and order it. And if you don't have your membership, you can sign up today before the end of the month, which is tonight. If you sign up, all qualifying orders for new distributors also receive 50% off. So give that a shot. If you're interested in that, let me know. My distributor number is 396200. And you too can have the joy of receiving your products every month. Always, your cosmetics can be at 50% off based on the amount of product you order. And these ones right here are actually the products that the company has sent me free to be able to offer as gifts to this Thursday night's opportunity and training event at Tangle Creek. And if you would like to come as my guest, if you aren't a distributor, I would be happy to get you a ticket. You just need to let me know, and you'll have an opportunity to win these prizes. Okay, talk to you soon.